Understanding the phrase, a new era. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often finds its place in history books, newspapers, and conversations. Let's decode a new era together. New. This is an adjective, which means something that didn't exist before or has been recently made, introduced, or discovered. Era. This noun often refers to a specific period of time in history or a person's life, characterized by distinct features or events. Combining them gives us the phrase, a new era, but it's more than just the sum of its parts. 1. Historical contexts. When significant changes or events happen, leading to a different world or context, like, the Industrial Revolution marked the beginning of a new era. 2. Personal changes. When someone enters a distinct phase in their life. E.g., after graduating from college, I felt I was entering a new era in my life. 3. Technological advancements. When there's a breakthrough or significant technological shift. For instance, the invention of smartphones ushered in a new era of communication. Understanding synonyms can further cement the concept. A fresh start, a new chapter, a new beginning, a new age. These all convey the idea of starting something novel or transitioning into a distinct phase. So, the next time you hear or read, a new era, you'll understand that it signifies a major shift or beginning, whether in history, personal lives, or any context. We hope this exploration has enlightened you, and remember, every day can be the start of your own new era. Keep learning and stay curious.